Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom. P, the letter P is for parrot. So here's a blob, and this turns right here. It's really important with the parrot. This is flat on the top, and then you can kind of bring it down the neck. So this is a diagonal going across. In the middle I have a little line, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it all the way down and then connect it there. And the bottom is going to be a lot smaller, but turn it and connect. So what you can do is add a little tongue if you want to, and then from that you're going to round this off. Here's the eye. Great. So you might want to stop and pause as you go, because at least get a little bit more complicated as I look at the picture, or just look at the picture. So I'm going to turn here, and then I'm going to round this off and connect back to the beak, and then this goes down and I have the neck, and then this wavies down. It's a little wavy, and here it bumps up. A really kind of nice bump for the wings. Great. So let's erase some extra lines, a lot of extra lines with this. And I'm going to turn my lines, kind of press down and lift up. So it's like a check mark U. It's not really a full U. And then I'm going to darken in the eye, shade that in. Yeah, I'm going to make sure that's rounded off. I love these markings around the eye. I thought those was really cool. So it's a nice pattern. So look at that if you want to. Shade in the beak, or use colored pencils, markers, crayons, whatever you have, instead of just a pencil. And keep shading in this whole area because it is pretty dark. And then start to add some more details. So what else can I do? This area is dark here, and I'm going to continue to do some feathers, turn my lines, and then yeah, they're just kind of soft turned lines, and they start to become more like U's and overlap further down. Oh, there you go. Thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom. P, the letter P is for parrot. I hope that you enjoy, like, and subscribe.